I'm chasing a train, but he's already going slow, so he might be stopping at a block. He's heading downtown Indianapolis. This is a neighborhood, Rockville Avenue. Let's go get the engine in a different area. An old bridge. I was trying to get back here, but I had to turn around, and there's a neighborhood. So we'll catch him in over different bridges. Some other bridges going across Washington Street. This is Rockville Avenue. Yeah, it's a good day. The sun is burning off, and he might be already going across the bridges up here. There's a couple bridges. This is Hope Road coming up. I seen a train up there on Lyndhurst going across. Did we beat him? He's right over there above the houses. No, we didn't. I'm already in the turning lane, so I'm gonna turn. Make sure I don't, he's slowing down. I'm gonna turn up here on Washington Street. I could have gone straight across Rockville, but the bridge is in back, so I gotta wait on a light, see what we get. I probably already missed him. Taking you all along for the ride. And he's slowing down anyway. He's probably stopping at a block. I'm in the middle of oops. I'm not trying to, yeah, he's stopping for the block signal. Because he'd be already going, he doesn't slow down till after he gets past Warman. I tried my best to chase him. At least I got the engines. It's a mixed freight. Mixed manifest. This was high water the other day with all the rain we had. So there you go. He'll be stopping up here before he gets past Warman. I'm not going to go past that way. Doing something over there. I don't know what they're doing. They're getting ready to put a bus line in here to tear up. There's a train over there. So, yeah, he's getting ready to stop. We'll see y'all later. The train kept on going, so I've got another photo opportunity to catch the engines. For some reason he slowed down way over here at Warman. They don't slow down until they get to there he is right there. Yeah, for some reason he slowed down drastically. Over there on Washington Street, 3 engines. I'm not going to stay to get the rest of the train. He's going like 20 miles an hour, 25. So he might be waiting on another train to come back the other direction too, for some reason, or come out of the Y downtown. So one of these days I'll go downtown and do a train videos down there. But just yeah. There you go. Thought you wanted to hear a horn honking. See y'all later.